Just give me my pinto and every memento. We'll spend it in sharing our lot. We love one another, he's just like a brother. My pinto is all that I got. So give me my pinto, a chili pimento, red beans and a sourdough pot. We're happy together in all sorts of weather. My pinto is all that I got. Indians! Now cut out horsing around. See if you can see any Indians around here. I don't see any Indians. Did you see any Indians? Well, keep a sharp lookout, pal. What was that? There it is again. Did you hear that?
Something wrong with Tommy Hawk.
There it is again. Ah! Ugga bugga washy washy chucka walla boo boo. Ugga bugga washy washy chucka walla boo boo.
Stop! You see horse around here?
Me no see horse. What for you want horse?
Me eat horse. Hey, him horse.
No, he not horse. Come, we smoke peace pipe.
Him look like horse.
Here you are, Chiefy. Smoke up.
You sure he not horse?
I wouldn't kid you, almighty chief.
Hey, who him?
Oh, him my cousin from Texas. Him cowboy.
Him funny-looking cowboy. Horsey, giddy-up. Him not cowboy, him horse. Hey, what you do with horse?
Oh, there he is.
Me got you now, horse. Me find horse if it takes many moons. Hey, squaw, you see horse? Hey, wait, me talk to Papoose. Coochie-coo, you see horsey? Ooh, Papoose speak with forked tongue. Uh-oh, horse footprints.
Ow.
Hey, what you got?
Oh, that's Bossy, my cow.
You sure this is cow? I want to see him hoofs.
Show him your hoofs, Bossy.
Oh, boy. We see many moons now.
Get off my back. You're the horse. I'm supposed to ride you.
Now I go on warpath.
Whoa, sounds like he's on the warpath. We better hide. Hurry up, hide someplace.
Now we see who is big cheese here. Hey, you! Don't blow out fire!
Hey, why don't you like this horse?
I do like horse. I not eat him if I don't like him. Oh, give me a pinto, a barbecue pinto, a blue plate special main course. With me it's a habit, it's better than rabbit. My favorite dish is the horse. Ha ha ha!
Horsey, take a bow.